Do you smoke? Do you smoke? Do you follow? Do you follow? Do you hear me? Do you hear me? Do you know us? Do you know us? Do you love me? Do you love me? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? Why do you lie? Why do you lie? Do you know her? Do you know her? I will do my best. I will do my best. Do what you like. Do what you like. Do you like snow? Do you like snow? What do you have? What do you have? What do you need? What do you need? What do you want? What do you want? Do it by yourself. Do it by yourself. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Do you want money? Do you want money? I know what to do. I know what to do. I will do it. I will do it. Do as he tells you. Do as he tells you. Tell me what to do. Tell me what to do. Do you have a fever? Do you have a fever? Do you like cooking? Do you like cooking? We have a lot to do. We have a lot to do. Please do that again. Please do that again. Do you know who he is? Do you know who he is? May I do it right now? May I do it right now? Do you have a question? Do you have a question? Do you know the reason? Do you know the reason? Do it when you have time. Do it when you have time. Do you know what he said? Do you know what he said? Do you know where she is? Do you know where she is? Would you do me a favor? Would you do me a favor? I will never do it again. I will never do it again. Do you think it's my fault? Do you think it's my fault? I have a lot of work to do. I have a lot of work to do. What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? What do you do on Sundays? What do you do on Sundays? What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? What will you do on Friday? What will you do on Friday? When do you usually get up? When do you usually get up? How long do I have to wait? How long do I have to wait? He can do this work alone. He can do this work alone. She speaks English. She speaks English. Does he speak English? Does he speak English? Does he live here? Does he live here? Does she know you? Does she know you? What does it mean? What does it mean? When does it begin? When does it begin? Does he speak English? Does he speak English? How does he go to school? How does he go to school? What does your father do? What does your father do? Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.